Hi, once more, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube. So, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate, a free tool to translate words, sentences, or even entire documents instantly. So, what is Google Translate? It's just a free service by Google that helps you to translate words, text, speech, or even images between over 100 languages. So it's perfect for learning language, traveling, or communicating with others. So if you're in in foreign land, worry no more because Google Translate will just help you definitely. So when you want to start using Google Translate, either if you're using a phone, you open your Google Translate app. If you don't have, you download it. And if you're using a laptop or a computer, you go to Google Translate. We open our Google browser first. We open, we come here, we wait. Let's search for yeah, it's here, Google Translate. We opened, you see, Google Translate text. It can translate text, images, documents, or websites. Detect language is English, Spanish, or French. Translation in English. Let's put translation in Spanish and let me write something. I want to demonstrate how to translate a text. Okay, let me start. Let me write my name is Gilda. You see? Mi nombre es Gilda. When you translate it translates like this. Let me say what of in Arabic. You see, in Arabic, it's here. So this is how you translate text. So if you want to use like a voice translation, you just click on translate. Let me say I'm fine. You see, in Arabic, it will just automatically translate it when you use a voice translation. It can also translate fast. So if you want to use a camera translation, or if you want to use a camera translation, there's also a camera translation you can use. There's also image translations. Let's use this. It can also translate. Let me say pictures. If you have a picture, you just click. When you click on it, it will translate for you automatically in the other language. So if you are traveling or reading a sign in another language, you just tap on the camera. You just tap on the camera. You tap on the camera icon. So when you tap on it, Google Translate will just translate it instantly. So If you want to like a conversation, you want to translate like a conversation, you can also see, this is a website, even website. You see, text also. You can also translate conversations using Google Translate. You can even have a live conversation with someone in another language. Just you type on the conversation icon and both sides can speak and see translation in real time. So basically this is the best way not to get lost in a foreign land is to use Google Translate because it's simple and it helps you not to get lost, to understand people in other languages, in other language. So this is what I have for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe onto my YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.